I've always believed in you. The person you will grow to be, and the couple will be together. You are strong, tough, and won't back down to any challenges. You are sweet and caring, and one smile from you takes my breath away. But most importantly, you are the love of my life, who endured 14 years of my kakulitan and made me realize how magical love can be. I promise to love and care for you, to support you in your dreams, and stand by your side in every challenges we may face. I will always be honest with you, kind, patient, and forgiving. But most of all, I promise to be a true and loyal friend to you. I can promise that our paths will be easy, but I assure you that it will never be hard so long as we have each other. I promise to grow old with you together with our three cats, Dinuguan, Biko, and Pupa. I know we can conquer anything life throws our way. You are my partner, my best friend, and my greatest love. I am grateful for every moment with you and look forward to building our future together. I will choose to love you over and over again in any lifetime that we may be. I love you, my heart. I give you my heart, my soul, and my forever. I love you so much.
Right.
Sige na. Malabas na.
Hi, my love. Finally, after 14 wonderful years, here we are standing in front of our loved ones, fulfilling our promise to each other. Tignan muna natin sila. Ngayon, nagkamasdan natin yung isa sa mga pangarap natin noon. Finally, reality. Exactly 14 years ago, hindi ko inaasahan na makikilala ko na pala yung mga kasama ko sa hirap at ginawa. During our college days, as in naging magkasundo tayo sa lahat ng bagay at naging priority natin ang pag-aaral. Yung college days ko wouldn't be as awesome as it was for you. You made things life so easy and calm. Ikaw ang naging pahinga ko sa mga panahon na may matindi akong pinagdadaanan. At sa dami ng pinagdaanan natin masasaya, malulungkot, at pagsubok sa buhay, you stood by me. You supported me and loved me unconditionally. Makita lang kita at mayakap. Kayang-kaya ko na ulit lumaban sa buhay. Sobrang thankful ako kasi binigyan ako ni Lord ng mapagmahal na lalaki na bibiliin ako sa araw-araw kahit hindi perfect. At ipapaalala kung gaano niya ako kamahal. Thank you, my love, for loving me. Thank you for loving me, not just me, but also my family. My love, pangako ko sa iyo na palagi kong tatawanan lahat ng jokes mo. Palagi kong titikman mga luto mo kahit inaantok na ako. At palagi kong hahanapin ang nawawala mong nail cutter at clipper. Asahan mo, ako ang magiging cheerleader mo sa mga panahong pinanghihinaan ka ng loob. Ako ang magiging personal nurse mo forever pag may sakit ka at ang magiging #1 fan mo sa bawat achievements mo at achievements natin. Simula sa araw na to, pinapangako ko hindi ka na mag-iisa. I'm looking forward na mas marami pa tayong dreams and goals na ma-achieve na magkasama. My love, thank you kasi tinapad mo yung pagkako mo sa akin. Na one day, pakakasalan mo ako. Thank you for making it happen.